Okay, everybody, using the lesson terrorism in the law, for your CYU terrorism in the law here. Drag and drop the terms into the correct locations with their definitions. So on the right-hand side, we have deadliest terror attack on U.S. homeland, 3,000 killed, led to many changes in national security. Legislation that expanded the power of the federal government to collect and observe data, concerns of freedom versus security. Federal administration created after the terrorist attacks on 9/11/01. Objective is to provide protection and security for Americans from another terrorist attack. Right guaranteed to Americans that proof be provided for their arrest and detainment before a court or judge. And legislation that expanded the power of the federal government to listen to phone conversations, read emails, etc. You have your vocab down here. September 11th, 2001, the Patriot Act, Habeas Corpus, Department of Homeland Security, and the Protect America Act. And then your extra credit question, if you so choose to do so. Do you believe the government has the right to torture? Explain why or why not.